Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked!
Okay, here's some examples of things that we're going to do. This is our treat for this weekend. These are like the Chinese glazed pecans. Really, really good. This is a sugar-free. This is what I have when I need a snack. It's like Werther's, I believe, without sukar. No sugar. So these are for the kids. Apple banana squeezies. They had 2 of these in the store, so we threw them away after we paid for them. They also ate a bomba in the store. Bomba, these are all gluten-free. You know, it's corn. Corn's gluten-free. Rice is gluten-free. This is an example of something that we're going to be giving Raphael. Maybe not on a regular basis, but like it's not going to be kept from him anymore. And this is like canned tropical fruit, and I believe it does have light syrup in it.
Open.
No, that's not for you right now. And this, instead of getting Haman's ears, which I think taste really bad for the holiday Purim, these are much better tasting, and we're just going to say they're like Haman's ears. These have cheese in them instead of the chocolate. You'll have to look up the book of Esther, which is pretty cool, to figure out what happened with Esther and Haman for that, and why people eat Haman's ears. So, yeah, you'll have to look that up. So, some other gluten-free food that I found, and it's very cheap. This was like $1.10 or something. 5.90 shekels. Capellini, and this is, I believe it's corn because it's yellow. I think I read on the back that it's tiras. Yeah. 87% tiras. Hey! Oh, bomba just went on the floor. Pick it up. So corn flour and water. So $1. And, you know, I went to the Rami Levy, which is the subsidized grocery store. It's cheaper there. 2 of these, $5.90 a piece. Come on. This is a huge bag of pasta. Huge. Hopefully it cooks well. I have bought corn pasta before and it didn't cook well. Got some penne pasta, same thing. And these are, they're a little expensive. This was 10 shekels for these biscuit cookies. But they're gluten-free. It says right down here, without gluten. And it's a good little snack for them, just, you know, to have a basic cookie when they go to the park or something, you know. And I got this, the chocolate and vanilla.
Yeah, I never had that
Another
before.
penne. And where's the bears at? This brand, I believe, is in the States because I believe I have bought their stuff before. Either that or I bought it off of Amazon. It's Orgran. And these are chocolate biscuits. And it has the G sticker for that store, Rami Levy, without gluten. Gluten-free, health and nutrition, gluten-free. Kids chalk chip biscuits. So these are bear flavors. So this is another example. I don't feel well, by the way, sorry. I'm still really sick. I don't feel well. I'm gonna need to lay down. These are chocolate chip cookies. So that's something that Raphael doesn't get. And you know, those are just gonna be for like treats, not everyday thing. It's gonna be like here and there. Or when we go far drive or something, we'll take some chocolate chip cookies, a little bit of lunch meat rolls, except the store that I went to actually didn't have a counter for lunch meat. They had prepackaged lunch meat, and that's more expensive. So I didn't actually know that they didn't have sliced meat there, sliced lunch meat. But that's okay, now I know. I don't usually shop at that one anyway because it's really full, and the parking lot is like a strip mall on both sides, and it's crazy there, and Raphael's a runner and I have a baby, so it's not something that I like to do, being busy parking lots with 2 kids. It's not fun. So this is that, and let me show you what else we got. I got 4 things of milk. This is old. Yeah, they got 4 things of milk back there. And Parmesan cheese. This is a staple for me. I must have it. I got this. I never get these, but this is going to be... The kid's already been into them. Abigail. These are sun-dried tomatoes. And this is so flavorful. This has garlic in it. It's going to be so good. Just to flavor up all of our stews and stuff. I think Hadar would really like that as well. So I got this cheese for Hadar. He really enjoys that. And he's working so much that I want to have like little special things for him. And I got some chili peppers. He wanted those to cook me something this weekend coming up. I got cucumbers, tomatoes, this celery that I'm very excited about. And pretty much that's it. We already had some hummus. Oh, I got this because I want to make some spring rolls with some rice papers. This is going to be really good. You know, the see-through paper. Really yummy.
Video please.
These are old. I bought these a while ago. This is a no sugar chocolate milk for Raphael. It says right here, no added sukar. So, and orange juice. And we got a new orange juice today too. So, that is it. Oh, and this, you know, these are gluten-free food. This is, it's got sugar in it for sure. And this is a gluten-free food. It's just chocolate.
Please, Mommy.
You're gonna melt it.
Let's do the video of it.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.